Let's go come in the and their hambot.
I don't even know what this is.
Dito tayo guys.
I have an idea. A good one too.
Kaya ang
First, the square.
atin
Just a few circles this year. Don't roll away. Now twist. It's really coming together now. See? Now for the bottom. Can't forget this neat butt.
ang in the ring sa may wala ako alam. In the ring basta. Makikita nyo yan sa TikTok. Iano natin. Ibibistigahin natin para tunay ito or hindi.
Add some tape to them. Make sure it's clear.
Dali.
Then add more polish.
Nasa na to?
Nice. Behold, a footboard. Here comes the sparkle. All the way to the top. You're done. Glitter footboards for the win.
Ang ilaw.
Just red carpet worthy.
At nasan na? Sa
You're the
block.
prettiest doll I've ever
To.
had. And you deserve the best dream house.
Hari.
Time for the unveiling.
Ito na guys. Lagyan.
Just in time. Sweet dreams. No bed. Whatever
Ibulalagay na natin dito.
This will take some assembling. Cut please. You can't just leave them plain. Brown is so boring. Red is just so gorgeous.
Mali.
There. And now we assemble. Ta-da! It's perfect. Ready to get sleep? It's all yours.
Ito.
And it's the most royal color.
Wala naman.
A little sleeping beauty. Once
Patay
upon a
sala.
time.
Oh, lagman na.
Wow! Wouldn't you love this? Not for that price. This one's worth 10,000. That's
Wala
real.
naman.
Hey, what about that? I know.
Mali.
That has a pink. Check this out.
Parang malis.
Next up, design. Very
Wala
good.
guys.
Now that's for art. Cool. We can still
Kaya luwat na sa tayo guys.
what's that?
Ng isang world ulit kasi walang hindi gumala.
Relief is on.
Gumana ang
Here you go.
portal.
That's not good.
Te,
Sorry about that.
nane. Sig.
Not just any potty. This one's much sweeter than most.
Okay.
So sour.
Okay, oh yeah. Parang araw.
Hey,
Ito, may bundok sa kinarapan.
I bet that tastes great.
Dito tayo sa may mga flat na areas.
I'm allowed.
Saka sa mga flat na areas.
A teeny tiny
Ito.
one.
Kuha ulit tayo.
Very convenient. It's perfect.
Ito.
You still have to go, right?
Bilisan natin guys.
Oh, come on, push. You did it.
Nasaan na tong mata?
Time for dip number 2. Oh, yeah. Feel better?
Wala ender eye.
You.
Nasaan ang ender eye? Guys.
Done. Oh,
Ito na guys.
awesome.
Sana ito ay mag-work.
Try that. Stop. Drop it. Hey, that was close. Wait, that was close. Chemistry. I'd rather hold my own experiment. I've got my water.
So, let's go.
Ready to go for a swim? Wow, look.
Oh, dito na tayo nag-expand.
It's beautiful.
Kat. May mga dragon.
This one
Tara,
is way
let's
cool.
go.
I wish I had one. All I have is my old Barbie. And it's
Oh, yari. Ayun na guys. Second ring.
just get in the middle.
At yung first ring, guys.
Good day.
Diretsuhin pa natin guys para malaman natin kung totoong ring ito.
Good idea.
Daming isla.
Now the fun begins. Paint time.
Ush.
Start by painting the inside. Then move to the outside. Then the other side.
Parang layo pa guys.
Before this is done, we need to fill our stamp box.
Slot pa lang kayo ng kulang-kulang mga 1
Then
hour.
in goes the pool.
Wait lang guys.
It's a long one. Ultra colorful
Ha.
under the coffee slot. This will
At ilang oras. Ilan oras pa tayo
magic.
para makadating ng dulo. Para mga 2 apas. Okay, kulang mga 2 hours. Dating na tayo dito on sa ano, hari mga sesyon na makita natin dito. Totoo nga na ito ay pinakamalayo. Okay, kulang-kulang 2 hours. Bantay ka mo ulit. Guys, parang hindi ko na kaya guys. Ang layo. Ay, please. Daming isla guys. Di na konti guys. I-part 2 pa na natin ito. Hindi. Ay, paano ni guys? Parang layo-layo pa guys. I-part 2 pa ni. Kasi malulubat na ako. 54%. Malubat na ako. Ito ng aking ina, baka paluin ako. Pa-edge. Layo pa talaga. Ito ang pinamalayo pa na ring ng ito. Layo pa ng edge. Ilang araw or weeks pa ako dito matatapos. Layo. Ay. Guys, tatapusin na natin ang video na ito. Dito nang ko nag-stop. Kaya ang layo pa. I-part 2 pa natin. Bye guys. See you in next to my part 2.